Stop for a moment, because this can be you in just a few minutes. By following my Follow for Follow guide, you can potentially gain 200 new followers every day. And before you quit this video because you don't believe in a follow for follow strategy or have tried the method, you have done it the wrong way. You have to find your followers, not some random people. What you may have done in the past is entering big creators in your niche, and then you have followed random people who have followed these users. That don't work and is a waste of time. Instead, you should search for a medium hashtag in the niche you're posting. Let's say you're in the sports car niche. Don't pick hashtags like this, but enter a medium hashtag like this one, hashtag SportCarsGrave. Then go to the most recent posts and follow the people who like the most recent post. This way you know that the people are active and also like the content you have on your page. Check out this video, Actually Working Follow for Follow Strategy, where I go a little more in depth on the strategy. There are some limitations that are important to be aware of. Following and unfollowing users are counted as the same actions. The daily limit is 200 a day. With 20 follows and unfollows per hour, your account is safe, and saves your account from being suspended. The consequence of exceeding this may be your account being action blocked for a short period of time, often 1 or 2 days. But stick to the method I have explained and you will potentially grow your account with 200 new followers every single day. This strategy is a great way to gain new followers, but watch this video about 5 working tips and hacks you must know to grow even more. I'll see you there.